Addressing employee disengagement. 62% of employees are disengaged in the workplace. Understanding the root cause of disengagement is crucial to improving your business. The best way to get individuals more engaged is by understanding human wiring. By knowing how to communicate, motivate, and the preferred work style of an individual, you can align a person to the right type of position in a company. Employees are more likely to excel at roles that require strengths of their natural wiring. Leaders that can adapt to interacting with different wiring patterns can utilize their most valuable asset, their team, more effectively. Some members of your team may need more detail than they are normally provided to be able to complete their tasks effectively, while others may be able to work with just quick bullet points. Knowing what you need to provide to your team for them to succeed is an important leadership skill to have. Designing training around human wiring reduces onboarding time as well as increases knowledge retention. Some employees learn by trial and error with their own ideas. Others may need repetition to refine their methods. All of this can be understood by knowing someone's natural wiring and can be implemented to improve training within the company.